I saw a fine car outside. It's your car. I mean, is that your car?
It's for the company I work with. Yeah.
Hey, it's very fine. I am sure it fits you. So tell me, how is work? I said, how is work?
Oh, work. Work is fine. Thank God.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go inside now. While we're out here. Let's go inside.
Oh, inside.
Yes, because we have a whole lot to talk about. You need to tell me about who you're working with, the company. Let's go.
Yeah, after you.
Let's go.
Yeah, after you.
Come now, come and gist me now.
Yeah.
Now we have a lot to talk about. So tell me, how is your company? Who are you working for? Is he your boss? Is he a man?
Ben, what are you doing here?
Mary, please, I want you to listen to me. I'm really sorry about everything. Hear me out.
You are sorry? Ben, please, kindly leave my mother's shop. Please!
I know I offended you, but I have come to beg you. Please, just forgive me. I am sorry.
Ben, I don't want to do something you and I will regret. Leave this place this minute.
Mary, I love you and I missed you. I missed you so much. Please hear me out. I want us to sit and talk.
You love me?
Yes, I do. With all my heart.
You love me?
I love you with all my heart, Mary.
Okay. You know what? Just wait. Let me get a seat so we can have this conversation properly. Okay? Just relax. Okay? Bastard! You want to tell me you love me? Tell me you love me! Tell me! I want to hear it! Tell me! You love me. Nonsense. Tell me! Tell me you love me. You love me, right? You love me, right? Nonsense.
So, Obim, tell me, when are you coming to see my uncle?
Your uncle? Why?
Yes, because I can't wait for us to conclude on the marital plans and all that. I can't wait to be married to you. Did you hear me?
Yes, but I think it's too early to start talking about marriage.
It's too early.
Yes.
Why would you say that?
Emerimgini, I'm not properly settled. And right now I feel like I should be talking about investing and saving, not marriage.
Obim, I'm not understanding what you're saying at all. I've always been with you even when you had nothing. And now that you are well-to-do, I think this is the best time for us to get married.
You see my problem with you?
And besides, I will set up my business in the city and also support you.
You see my problem with you? You're always reminding me of the past. You keep reminding me of when I had nothing. Forgetting that it was two of us at the time. If we get married, we're going to start having children. And you know what that means. Children will come with a lot of responsibility and the demands would increase.
I want to be able to give you children.
Yes, then why are you rushing things? Why are you rushing things?
Because I want to get married. I want to be your wife. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. That was what you promised me.
And Miriam Guinea, I know I promised, but right now, my ideology about marriage is it comes with a lot of baggage. It comes with a lot of liability. It comes with a lot of responsibilities. It's not some type of passive income that brings in money.
Are you trying to call me a liability?
I didn't say that, but I'm just saying that it's not the right time to get married.
All I've done is to love you. All I've done is to care for you. Oh, be more. Oh, beginning come you. I gave everything.
Mama, honestly speaking, there's no future between Miriam Guinea and I.
I don't understand.
Mama, I'm here to tell you about my marriage plans to someone else.
To a Madam Guinea. That person is a Madam Guinea.
No, Mama. My boss. The person who made me who I am today.
The person that made you who you are today is a Madam Guinea. That is the woman that made you who you are.
Mama, my boss made me who I am today. She owns a multi-millionaire company and we're getting married really soon.
Were you able to get money? How managed? I don't understand. How?
Miriam Guinea supported me with all her life savings.
What? I'm going to give you money.
Everything she had.
Hey! God, that girl is a beautiful soul. She's a God sent. God, may you bless her. May you reward her.
Amen.
When she will look for such a help we are looking for today, may you grant her.
Amen.
Hey! Have you seen it now? You have seen it with your two eyes. Don't forget her. Don't forget that girl. God forbid that I will support such a wicked union. Someone that picked you on the street, in wherever the city you are living, is who you think that made you. No! The person that made you, the woman that made you, is a Madam Guinea.
Mama, what are you talking about? Mama, what do you mean no? Take a look around you. Are you happy? Do you like your condition? Do you like this house? This mud house you're living in? Are you proud of it?
Echezona, let me live in the thickest of the forest. Let this mud house fall upon my head. I will choose a Madam Guinea over and over again. Because she is the woman that made you who you are. She sacrificed her life. With her last saving, she sent you to the city. Her mother's life. What happens to her?
Mama,
Who pays her back?
I'm sorry, I can't go back to poverty anymore.
Then I will not support you.
I've made my choice and there's no going back. I'm sorry.
Echezona, koko hada echezona onye furu ya odu n'udu mmiri. Hey! Echezona. Echezona.
want you to help me talk to him.
But you know what you did was wrong and wicked.
I know. Yes, I know. And that is why I'm back to make amends. Just imagine she poured a full bucket of water on me. I know I deserve what I got. Just help me. Just help me, please.
I'll try my best. But if she insists, the fate is on you.
I know you can help me. Just help me, please. I am begging.
So I intend to build on that land.
Mama? That one.
Like put up a big structure.
Okay.
Emma.
Why is she always calling me that?
I love.
Why are you always calling me that? I don't like that. Please call me something else. Call my name. Mama, so I was saying that
Obi, did I say something wrong, Mama? You feel me?
You didn't say anything wrong. Didn't do anything.
Did I do anything wrong?
Listen, I think you need some education. You need to get some exposure. It's very important because you act like an outdated girl.
How?
Yes.
Outdated.
That's your behavior right now.
Are you trying to say that I'm outdated?
Listen to me. This whole game is not working.
Which game?
This whole game is not working. Can't you see that? Mama, please excuse me.
Obi, Mama, did I do something wrong?
No, you didn't do anything.
But he said I'm outdated. I'm dated out.
You're very.
What's the name on dates?
No, it's not like that.
You hate him?
No, you are very, very on point. You're tall, you're beautiful. Look at your clothes, so flashy.
Mama,
you're not outdated.
No, Mama. Hey, God, what just happened? Look, did he just say that to me? No, that wasn't Echezona. It can't be him. Me, Emerem Guinea, outdated. Your money dated out. Hey! No, this better not happen. If it does, I will kill myself. Echezona. What do you mean?
Emerem Guinea, I know you have spent a lot on me. And I've decided to give you back the money. So I want you to give me an estimate of everything you spent on me. So I can pay you back.
Is this some kind of joke or something? No, Mama. No, is this a joke? Have you lost your sense of timing or what? What is this?
Listen, I don't like people insulting me.
You don't like people insulting you?
Yes.
But you like coming to people's house to insult them. Echezona, I can understand that I have feelings for you. Or, yes, I love you. But listen to me, I am not stupid. And I will not sit down here and take this insult from you. Now get up and get out of my house.
You said what?
I said you should get up and get out of my house.
I should leave your house.
Get out!
I should get out.
Get out! And don't ever set your face in this place. Get out!
Emerem Guinea, I should get out.
Get out!
I should get out. You're asking me to leave your house. Emerem Guinea, you're asking me to leave your house.
I said you should get out.
Alright, that's fine. But don't forget, you asked me to leave. You asked me to leave.
All I've done is to love you. All I've done is to care for you. Oh, be more. Oh, beginning come you. I give everything for you. Main sacrifice is just for you. How could you tell?
Listen,
You will not bring any other woman in this compound except Madam Guinea. Batrayal no so. That girl has done everything for you. A girl that lost her mother just to see you succeed. She took care of your mother. Your own mother in your absence. Over here. Was it not here? I was down with sickness. I was down with malaria. She went and bought drugs. She sweeps, she cooks for me. Hey! What kind of a son are you?
Mama, I have offered to pay her back.
Pay her back, Bwagi! Pay her back, Bwagi, Mama!
I'm going to pay her back.
Why are you this wicked? What is wrong with you? What has come over you? Neither your father nor I is this selfish. Why are you this wicked? Why are you this evil, Echezona? Listen, I will not take a dime from you if you do not marry Madam Guinea.
Mama, listen to me. I don't know what she has given to you. Okay? But I will not miss my blessings. I will not miss my opportunities of becoming a billionaire because of some local village food vendor.
Hey! No. Oh! She is not a local village vendor. Local food vendor in the village. When you were eating her money, she's a loving Madam Guinea. She's a beautiful Madam Guinea. The beautiful soul, the fine girl. Now she's a village vendor. God will judge you. God will punish you. God will judge you. God will judge you. You cannot walk out on me. Come here. I'm talking to you. Come here. Come here.
Ben is a beast. It's okay. Just give him a second chance. Second chance, you say? Does he deserve it? Does he deserve any second chance from me? Yes. From the consistency he has put in towards winning you back, makes him worthy of your forgiveness. Alice, you will not understand. That guy dealt with me. That idiot broke my heart. He dealt with me, Alice. He has received enough punishment already. You emptied the bucket of water on him. He took the shame and still came back. That is to show you the level he can go to have you back. So, what am I supposed to do? I mean, what should I do? Mary, just give him a second chance, please. Give him a second chance.
I'm getting. Mama, stop crying. That idiot does not want your tears. It's okay.
Mama, you know I love Echezona so much. Mama, if he leaves me, I'm going to kill myself. I'm going to die.
You will not die.
What is life without him?
You will not die and you will not kill yourself. My son is just being stupid. I need you here with me.
Mama, did he tell you exactly what I did to him?
You didn't do anything to him.
Are you sure?
You didn't do anything to anybody.
Maybe I did something, I don't know.
You didn't do anything. My son has just been stupid, just been out of his senses. But trust me, he will come around. Come.
All I've done is to love you. All I've done is to care for you. Oh, be more.
It's okay.
I'm crying. You are very heartless. You are so heartless.
Are you done?
I am done.
Listen, you have no control over your mouth. But let me warn you. I don't know what nonsense you have fed my mother. But I'll warn you. Don't cross the line. Do not cross the line!
Echezona, wait. Hey, I'm working at Waka. No, all these warnings, all these threats, are they for me? After everything that I did for you, this is how you want to pay me back.
What have you done for me?
Guinea, what have you done for me? Did I not offer to pay you back? Didn't I offer to pay you back?
Oh, you want me to leave a wealthy woman for you?
You want me to abandon a wealthy woman for you? A village girl like you?
You must be out of your mind. Listen to me. I am my mother's only child. So that means I can't marry a barren woman like you.
I can't marry a woman who can give me children. A woman with no womb. Get out!
All I've done is to love you. All I've done is to care for you. Oh, be more. Oh, beginning come you. I gave everything for you. Many sacrifices just for you. How could you turn your back on me this way? Tell me where I went wrong. One more, get more. A merengue all I've done is to love you. Why could you treat me this way?
Remember how hard things are for my family. And don't also forget you contributed 80% before I could go to school. And to think that I am done with my final exams. I can't even raise 100,000 naira for my clearance. I suggest we abort the baby.
Why would I do that? I can't do it. What if I lose my life in the process?
You're not going to lose your life.
Mama!
Mama, I told you I'm dying.
God forbid.
I'm dying.
God forbid you will not die. No! Mama, what is it? What happened to you?
I have ruined my life. I've ruined everything.
You have to stop saying that to yourself.
But that is the truth and you know it.
Guinea, you have to stop seeing things that way. God has the final say.
You don't understand. I don't expect you to.
Please, stop crying.
I have lost my womb.
I promise to stick by your side forever.
You don't get it, do you? Have you been listening to me? I won't be able to bear you a child.
Says man. But God has the final say.
How much are we talking about?
100,000.
Just because of 100,000. I'll try my best.
Are you saying you will give me the money?
Do you have a problem with that?
But where are you going to get the money from?
From the business that I do. You know I'm a hard-working girl, and I've been saving. I just don't want you to sell that piece of land. Please.
Guinea, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for everything you've been doing for me. I appreciate every single thing. How do I pay you back?
You don't need to pay me back. All you need to do for me is become a graduate and then get a very good job. Then we can be talking about you paying me back.
Mama! Mama, why? Mama, why did you do this to me? Mama, who did you leave me for? Mama, you left me alone in this wicked wood. Mama,
is life without you? Mama, because no. Mama! Mama! Mama!
All I've done is to love you. Why could you treat me this way? Oh, Merem gigin you. Merem gigin you. Gine kamerek you. All I've done is to love you. All I've done is to care for you. Oh, Bimo, oh, Bogini, Cameragio. Gini, Cameragio. They can see me, Joe. Tell me where I went wrong. One more.
What is it? What is this? No, don't do that! No! Hey! What do you want to do there? Hey! No! What do you want to do there? Do you understand the implication of what you want? No, listen. Come on! Hey! What is this? This is not the end of the world. Everything happens for a reason. There is nothing in this world that is worth dying for. In this world.
Uncle, tell me, of what use is this life to me? I have lost eventually everything. I've lost my mother. What is there for me to live for?
You have not lost everything. You have me and the future. No matter the misery one sees himself in this life, suicide is never a solution to that. Is that an option?
My daughter, Mama, you see in this life, nothing is worth dying for.
Mama, you're confusing me. Why are you telling me this?
Life is full of ups and downs, joy and agony, fun and misery. If you are unfortunate to meet with agony and misery, all you need to do is to put your trust in God, believing that someday He will change your situation for the better.
Mama.
Yes.
You're making me uncomfortable. Each time you sound like this, it means something is about to go wrong. Or have I done something wrong?
No, my daughter. But you see, in this life is sacred. Nothing should ever make you think of taking your life by yourself. You did not create yourself, so you can't take your life. No matter how bitter that thing is, or shameful, or whatever it is, it doesn't worth your life. Just calm down and believe that it's a wave of life, that someday it will wave off. For no reason. Always believe there's a reason.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you so much for saving my life. I will forever be indebted to you. I almost failed my mother.
You're welcome. I am glad that you found a reason to live again.
All I've done is to love you. All I've done is to care for you.
So you're not looking too happy. I mean, you're not even looking happy at all. What's the problem?
My school.
Your school? What about your school?
I'm carrying over a course. That means an extra year for me.
An extra year for you? Why? Is there nothing you can do to avoid it?
Well, the only option I have is to settle the lecturer.
With money as usual?
Yes.
How much are we talking about this time around?
50,000.
50 what? 50,000 naira? That's a whole... Ha! That's a lot of money. What is wrong with your school? Is it that they can't do without money or sorting?
That's the only option I have.
Ha! That's too much. Oh. Anyways, I'll see what I can do. You know, from my food business. 50,000, I don't even have it all. But I'll run around. I'll see where I can borrow and then just provide it for you before you return to school.
Thank you very much. Guinea, thank you. That's why I love you.
I love you too.
You're always there for me. Chuku Goziegi. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, yeah.
I want to buy firewood.
Okay, which one? This one, 200. This one,
I need 500 now.
I'll give you this. Complete. Take it. Ah, okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You are working so hard. You finish all this place?
Yes, I am. I'm working so hard, sir. I can come and collect my money in the evening, though. Yeah? I do not want when I will finish this whole work now and I will come to collect my money. You give me stories, I won't take it too. Just keep my money for me.
You mean you finish all this place now?
Yes, I've finished the other side. I packed the whole thing here so I can.
There's no problem. There's no problem. You will receive your money.
Please keep it for me, oh.
Well done.
Thank you.
Just keep it for me, oh. No problem.
All I've done is to love you. All I've done is to care for you. Oh, be more. Oh, beginning come you. I give everything for you. Many sacrifices just for you. How could you turn your back on me this way?
Uncle, I have made up my mind to relocate to the city. Start up something doing, if possible, go back to my food business.
That's a very good idea. At least that will help you ease the trauma you are passing through.
You're right, Uncle. This village does nothing but bring bad memories. I think I need a change of environment.
It's true. It's true. But when are you traveling?
This weekend.
This weekend. That's all right. That's all right. Well, which of the cities will you be traveling to?
I like this station.
Oh no! No! Ah! 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 No! Oh no! No! Don't take it. Oh!
Everything I worked for is gradually going down. This company is sinking. If I am not careful, I might return to poverty. What do I do to get myself off this situation? Please help me, God.
In this life, tread with caution. What goes around must come around. In this life, be careful. No one knows.
I lost it again.
Jesus. Another miscarriage.
Shit, Stephanie. This is the 8th miscarriage in 1 year.
This is horrible. But what did the doctor say?
He said I am okay again.
So, where is the problem coming from?
I don't know. I am so confused. Ha! I am confused.
No, babe. I told him pass career. We can't just fold our arms like that. If you don't know how to pray, start learning it now. Learn it now. I mean, this is not ordinary. Something is wrong somewhere.
Yeah, if someone tell me that I would lose pregnancies this 8th, it's the 8th time.
Oh, goodness God.
8. Oh my goodness.
Babe,
Yeah.
we need to start approaching the bank for a loan.
Babe, is it that bad?
It's worse than you think. Those missing containers affected our business. And don't forget, we still have issues with the government.
God, oh my goodness. Okay, babe. We need to be prayerful. These things are not natural. We need to be prayerful.
I've been praying.
We need to pray more.
What is it?
I saw it. I saw it this time. I felt it this time. I felt it.
Hey, what is it?
I felt the spirit. The spirit. I felt it this time. I felt it.
Male or female?
I don't know. I don't know.
Babe, are you sure you're not hallucinating?
Babe, I am not. Look, I swear to you, I felt it. Like a spirit is stalking me. Like a spirit is following me. Don't give me. Please don't give me. Please don't give me. Please don't give me. Please don't give me.
What is it? What's going on? Are you okay? Yes. I feel like there's an unseen presence. Someone is following me. Someone is following me. Someone is following me. Yes, someone is stalking me. It's like a spirit. He's stalking me.
Does your husband know about it?
I told him he thinks I'm hallucinating. Babes, I am not hallucinating. Listen, I know what I feel. I think a spirit is following me. You understand me now?
I do. Just relax. I'm coming.
Keep coming.
There's nobody now. Esther, are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
You're not.
I am. I know what I felt. I felt it. In my whole body. Someone is following me.
You should visit your doctor.
I am fine.
Babe, you're not. You're not fine. Someone is fine. There is nobody in this house. Just you and I.
You need to see a doctor.
I'm fine.
No, you're not. Babe, you've been through a lot lately. And it's beginning to affect you psychologically. Can't you see that?
I know what I am saying. Someone is stalking me.
Okay. Let's see a doctor first. And after that, we can talk about it, okay?
Someone is stalking me. We visited the hospital earlier today.
Wow, that's great. So, what did the doctor say?
The doctor confirmed that I am okay.
Perfect. So, what's happening to you then?
I don't know. I don't know.
Esther, you're my best friend. I can never deceive you. Esther, you need to stop work. You need rest.
You don't get it. The company is sinking. It is going down rapidly and we require all hands on deck.
How do you mean by the company is sinking?
Listen, we are surviving on a year loan from the bank. And if anything happens, we are going to lose everything.
Shit.
We're going to lose everything. This company, the house, everything I've ever owned.
Goodness me. What are you going to do now?
In this life, tread with caution. What goes around must come around. In this life, be careful. No one knows tomorrow, so be sure if you're doing the right thing.
You don't look happy. What's wrong?
I'm pregnant again.
Okay, this should make you happy. So why are you sad?
I'm scared.
Scared of what? Listen, this one will stay. Okay? this will stay this time.
I pray so.
It will. Don't you trust me? Don't you trust me?
In this life, tread with caution. What goes around must come around.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
We have lost everything.
How do you mean? What happened?
Mr. Patrick is a fraudster.
You mean he won't deliver the goods we paid for?
The websites don't exist anymore.
No! No!
Babe! Esther! Esther!
It's not okay. We're still owing the bank 80 billion naira, and they said if we don't pay in a year's time, they will take everything, and this house is used as a collateral.
That was why I said it is not the end of the world. Oh God, you still have a year to run around.
God.
Please calm down. Everything is going to be fine.
Stephanie, you don't get it. You don't get it.
I do.
I
understand your pain.
We're going to lose this house.
We're
going to lose everything.
Trust me, you're not going to lose anything. Okay? What God cannot do does not exist. Just believe and trust in Him. He will do it for you. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying, baby girl.
Thank you very much for forgiving me.
It's okay. I love you so much.
And I love you more.
One more thing.
One more thing. Which is?
Promise me you won't do it again.
I swear with my life it will never happen again. It will never ever happen again. I promise. But please, one more favor from you.
Okay. What's that?
Who are they? What are you doing here?
I'm Inspector Moses. So, what can I do for you? We are sent to ensure that you pack the goods at these premises now.
Sorry?
To vacate these premises without anything. I mean now.
Sorry, are you aware of this?
Yes,
who sent them?
Officer, follow him. Go in there, pack everything that belongs to you, and come out. Sorry, sir. My friend, go and pack your things. Go in there, pack your things and come out. Are you aware of this? My friend, hurry up!